Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. I created a new segment here called Quick Tips. Throughout the years, I've pulled some stuff from books, magazines, online, even figured out some stuff on my own. These tips make it easier for me to work in the shop. They may make it easier for you to work in the shop too. Let's take a look. Everything in your shop should have a home. It should have a place it wants to go back to, right? And it should go back to that same place every time. It really keeps things organized. You'll know exactly where the tool is when you need it, and it'll just kind of help you with your organization. So if I put my brush into a Ziploc bag in between coats, it'll help it keep it fresh. So I don't have to clean the brush every time in between coats. Not a lot of people like pegboard. I like pegboard. I think it's a good way to kind of organize your stuff, especially in the beginning, right? You could build a real fancy tool cabinet, but until you know what tools you use, how often you grab them, if they really work with your workflow or not, you're just kind of figuring that stuff out in the beginning. And pegboard's good because you can move things around on pegboard. I can move the saw to another side. If I make a dedicated cabinet where everything has sort of a permanent home, and I don't yet know whether or not this is a tool I'm going to grab often, I'm not going to grab, I'll grab once a month, or I'll pull out every day, will determine where they're positioned in my toolbox or my tool chest. With pegboard, I kind of have the flexibility to figure that out over the long term and then build my more permanent toolbox.